love the spicy. This is so good. Ang sarap nitong coconut. Pero ang sarap nitong ice cream, guys. Ang sarap. Guys, iba talaga pag sa kalye ka kumain. So guys, I'm off to a food tour. So parang walking street food tour siya. So meet the place is Burger King Churchgate. So I'm on my way. I'll get an Uber sa baba. Kasi medyo malayo yung hotel ko. Hindi ako nandun sa may south of Mumbai. So, yun. Ganyan kalayo kasi ang pupuntahan ko. Naman. And by the way, this is the hotel lobby. Ganda, no? Yan na. Okay, so guys, don't forget, ayun yung 7001. Yan yung PIN. Importante na may PIN ka. Kasi, yan yung ibibigay mo dun sa driver. Para alam niya, ikaw yon. Then, i-enter nila sa phone nila yan. So, very similar yan sa US or sa other countries na may Uber. Yan na, that's our Uber. Guys, meet the place is here sa Burger King. O, diba? And of course, may tour guide for the day, si Ganesh again. First stop natin will be Churchgate. So we start our tour here. So may Vada Pav daw sa loob. So our first stop is this, and then may Vada Pav siya. Tingnan mo, mura ng Vada Pav, like 30 lang. Yung cheese 30, pero yung iba 20 lang yung Vada Pav na yan. And then if you're gonna look at it, ganyan yung tsura ng Vada Pav. So, bun siya, tapos yung ito, potato siya sa loob with spices. And ang history daw nito was because may isang tao, one worker, di ba? Kumuha ng vada, yung sa loob. Tapos nakalimutan niya magdala ng chapati. Tapos sa tabi, may tea store na nagbenta ng paw, parang bun. Tapos sinamba niya, pinagsama niya. And then sobrang sarap niya, sabi sa friend niya, masarap. And then now, this was born. Okay, let's try it. It's good, para siyang curry yung mashed potato. Pero yung mashed potato, covered siya with a lot of, let's say, parang crunchy na dinip fry mo na parang balat. Yes, alam kong carbs on carbs siya. Pero if you like konting spice, mashed potato, and everyone's eating it, go. Sarap. So this is the Vada Pav. Ooh, train na tayo. Okay, hindi pala tayo magka-train. Stop is Cow Gali, which is cow meaning food. Gali is street. So here, ang dami mong mga food that you can see and that you can buy as well. Dito siya, ang dami mong pwedeng bilhin. Guys, maraming mga bata na naglalaro doon sa kabilang street na to. So that's why pwede ka bumili ng mga meal mo. May nakita ko mga pasta, may noodles, may pav, may paneer pa. Loko, may mga paneer, then you have veg. May fruits pa nga doon sa other side. So guys, di ba you have those wrap? It's called Frankie. Frankie tawag dyan because hindi siya pita wrapper. Di ba yung shawarma, pita wrapper? Pag Frankie, hindi. It's like flour, tapos nalagyan mo ng itlog, tapos nalagyan mo ng sauce or gravy nila. Then, may laman sa taos. Parang pika. Or parang chicken. If ever the Manchurian Frankie is chicken. Ganon. So, ang next dish namin is dosa. Yung dosa parang yung flat na bread. Parang, kaya kailangan ko alalahin yun eh. Nakakain na ako niyan sa hotel, pero dito, ibang klase. At saka yung dosa, hindi dapat matamis. Yung ginawa kasi dun sa isang hotel, di ba guys? Yung lagyan na ng jam. So, ang tamis. Pero dapat, kaya parang nagtaka. So, ganun sabi niya, bakit matamis? Kasi feeling ko, hindi talaga siya dapat jam. Ginawa lang nilang jam siya. Guys, if you're here, kailangan nyo gawin tong tour na to. As in, gawin ha, gawin. Bombay sandwich
Just
naman.
many things in between.
Potato.
And onion,
Okay, onion.
tomato,
Tomato.
cucumber, beetroot.
Beetroot.
Yeah. You know beetroot?
Yes.
Beetroot. Chutney. Butter. Cheese on top.
Cheese on top. And then you have
Green spicy chutney.
chutney.
Ketchup.
Okay. Oh, okay. You have to eat. I cannot finish. May beetroot nga siya, see? So you have to eat it in one go. This is not mint chutney. It's spicy. I like it. I love the spicy. Mas masarap to kaysa yung kinain ko doon sa pit stop. Ito yung masarap. I'll show you the middle The middle part guys. Ayan siya. And then this is cheese. Then you have all onion, tomato. Then you have potato. Then you have cucumber, chutney. And then this one, sarap. Kasi hot sauce. Masarap to. Bombay sandwich, may cheese sa taas. Makalat, pero masarap. Tapos yung gulay niya ang lambot. So ito nga yun guys. This is crispy. Then you put the sauce or the gravy.
Break it.
You break?
Dip it. Eat it.
What's this one?
Chutney. Coconut chutney.
Coconut, this one. Sambal, thank you. So, you break, dip. This is so good. Ang sarap nitong coconut. Ang sarap nitong coconut. Sobrang sarap nito. Oh my gosh. Ang sarap nito. You put both? No. Coconut is so good. Yes, ako dito. Go for this. Ang sarap nito. My goodness, nataba ako dito, guys. Pero ang sarap talaga. Coconut to, kaya ang sarap. Tapos yung black dots na yan, mustard seed yan. Chili leaves.
Green chili,
Coriander.
coconut,
Coconut.
seeds.
So guys, nakita ko nag-paste via QR. Yung sandwich nasa 50 and then yung kanina natin yung may chutney, coconut chutney na dosa is also 50. Guys, onion to and this is potato. So parang fried siya. Baji yung onion. And then this is also potato. Then yung siya ginagawa ko. Onion siya lahat to. Ganyan. And then you see that fried. Pwede mo ilagay rin yan sa loob ng pot. Ito guys. Ito favorite ko talaga, onion. Pero ito sa hotel, guys, iba talaga pag sa kalye ka kumain. Onion. Parang siyang onion rings. Crispy, tapos may mga butter. Tapos lagay mo ng chutney. Ang sarap. Sa yellow, it's because chickpea flour ang ginagamit. Butter nito, ay wawang init pa nito, is mas malapot. Ito, mas thin. Kaya pag pinay, mas sunog siya. Try natin yung potato, ah. Sarap din. Ang nipis ng potato. Kainin mo yung mainit. Ang sarap. Nakita mo yung serving, 2 piraso lang because ayaw natin mag-waste ng food. So, pag tigdadalawa lang, para tig-isa kami ni Ganesh. Ganon. Our next food is by, diba, the train station mo, diba? So, dito na siya. We're gonna get Pav Bhaji. Yung sa red na yan, yun yung Pav Bhaji. Yan yung red na yan. You have the Pav, then ito yung Bhaji mo. And then there's butter.
Yes.
And they usually dip, or you put it in. Peel.
Piece.
I see.
Or you
Okay.
take bread.
Yung mga gulay-gulay yan nasa loob.
More mashed potatoes, tomatoes.
Mashed potatoes, tomatoes. Ganyan mo. Get some. At yan butter as well, ah. And then, lasang-lasa mo yung butter. Tomato, potato, but also the butter. You really taste the butter. Ah, so good. So guys, ayun no, gulab jamun. So gulab meaning rose. Jamun was blueberry. Pero now, wala nang rose yan. Dati kasi may rose essence na yan. And then now, ito, flour na lang siya. So if you don't look at it, diba? Ganun siya. And I'm sure marami siya. Tamis. Para siyang bread pudding. Pero, fried, crispy yung labas mo. Yung loob mo, mainit na malambot. Tamis. Great dessert, pero matamis. Drop. It's a little history rin ha. Kaya nakita mo ang daming babae dito na nagtatrabaho. It's because dati, ito daw yung ginagawa ng mga babae. Sa bahay, let's say, para let's say may trabaho sila. O diba, ganyan yung history nila. Nakakatuwa, diba? So ito, total, 180. Dessert, at saka yung tingnan mo, nandito ulit tayo dun sa kahapon natin pinuntahan. Before anything else, I think ang pro tip ko dito, kung meron ka ng Mumbai Day Tour, isama mo na to doon sa dulo mo. Remember yung Mumbai Day Tour kasi, 3 o'clock, di ba? If mabilis ka, tapos mo na siya. So once you finish that, dapat, if alam ko rin lang, pinagsama ko siya. Because this starts at 5. That's 3. Pwede mong gawin, kung same naman, same mo kinuha yun, and apparently same rin naman yung tour operator ko, tour guide ko, edi isang buong araw na lang, di ba? Tapos, nakatipid ka pa sa mga kailangan mong ibigay. Syempre, dagdagan mo lang yung tip, di ba? Pero at least, di ba, isang araw ko na hindi na ako bumalik ulit dito. But again, for me, okay rin lang naman na hiniwalay ko siya. But if you wanna save time, malakas ka, marami kang energy, pwede mo siyang gawin. Kasi tingnan mo, ito yung kahapon kong ginawa, di ba? Diba? Okay. Masakay na tayo sa cab. Yung maliit nilang cab. Ito yung gusto kong kahapon pasakay. Diba? Ang cute to. And kasha 3 tao sa likod and 2 sa harapan. Oh. Tapos, bukas yung bintana. Napaka-breezy. Guys, so market na rin to. Pwede ka bumili ng musical instruments daw dito. And alam mo, narinig mo, yung mga busina, ganyan sila dito. As in, grabe yung busina. At yung sasakyan namin ganyan taxi. Ganyan-ganyan yung malibit. Guys, mga busina. Narinig mo, ganyan. Yan yung naririnig natin. Pero masasanay ka lang. Dead mo. Natutuwa ka na lang. Next stop is the Girgaon Beach. Ito yung beach na talagang kahapon. Ito yung pinento natin, di ba? Ito yun. Ito yun. And then itong sand na to, di ba yung kinuha daw nila para tabunan dito para magkaroon ng beach. So it's technically man-made. Yung kakainin natin next will be yung mga puri. Guys, if you remember, puri is yung bilog na ganyan. Ayun o, that's puri. Yung klaseng puri siya. Safe puri. So apparently yung flat siya na ganyan, no?
Like this puri.
And then potato.
Yes.
And then nalagyan mo, and spices.
So made out of
Fried noodles? No.
yeah, it's fried noodles but made from chickpea flour.
Chickpea flour,
The
okay.
yellow one,
Yeah.
it's salty and turmeric. The red one, it has little spicy chili.
Okay.
Then you have peanuts, tomatoes.
Guys, safe puri is flat. And then pagkakainin mo siya, dapat buo. Yan ha. And then one whole side. So one over. Sarap. Crispy. Tapos may sauce. Kakaiba lang yung lasa nilang parehas. Pero, unique din to. Gusto ko siya. Sobrang sarap. Sarap as in. Then now, syempre, panipuri na tayo. And then, ganito yung bowl ng panipuri mo. Sa isang isa-serve sa'yo yung panipuri. Ayan na. Yum. Oh my God. Look. Okay. Sarap. Buong buo talaga binababad mo sa sauce. And lahat kailangan mo ipasok sa bibig mo. And isi-serve niya sa'yo isa-isa. Cheers. Hindi siya manghang. At saka yung sauce niya, kung kita mo, medyo green. Di ba sa Pilipinas, usually parang brown siya. Hindi. Kailangan matubig-tubig talaga yung sauce mo. And then talagang submerged yung buong panipuri sa loob. And then ang nakita ko yung laman niya, may mga chickpeas, tapos yung puri, tapos lagyan mo ng sauce. Sarap din, pero mas gusto ko yung isa. Is dahi puri kasi ang dahi is yogurt.
Yogurt, dahi
Okay,
is yogurt.
perfect. Puri siya pero ito yogurt. Feeling ko, ito baka mas gusto ko pa siya. Let's try. Okay. Boys, ang bigat ng isa. Parang gusto ko na siyang kamayin. Yogurt, tama rin. Cilantro, parang rice puffs. Sarap. Love it. So gusto ko yung seb, gusto ko to, then yung last yung panipuri. Of course, last stop mo, dessert. So, we're gonna get kulfi. Kulfi is ice cream pala. Ganun yung itsura niya. Don't tell me the flavor. I'm trying to guess. I think this is chai. No? Mali ako, guys. I'll eat one more time. Try the red one first. But it's so creamy. It's so good. It's not rose, right? It's not rose.
No.
Not strawberry. This is orange.
Yeah. The red one,
Yeah.
raspberry.
I would have guessed raspberry. So raspberry yung red, guys. Tapos this is orange. Okay, this one I'll try. Banana. I taste orange, but banana.
Mustard apple.
Custard apple? Custard apple? Custard apple. I'm wrong again. Let's try this one. Orange ha. Iba to ha. Mango. At least ito tama. They're green. So it tastes like mango. I think it should be apple.
It's pistachio.
Pistachio pala ang green. And then last one, caramel. Dulce de leche, guys. Condensed milk.
Condensed milk, yeah.
Okay. Pero ang sarap nitong ice cream, guys. Sobrang rich niya. Pero mahirapan ka. Ako nahirapan ako. Pero, nakita ko presyo na 8. Pero ayan pala, nakasulat pala. May malay, pista, kesar, at gulab. So guys, done na yung tour natin. So ito yung food tour and sobrang dami talaga natin kinain. So the last part was doon sa beach nga. And then yung kulfi or yung ice cream talaga yung last. So now I'm booking my Uber to go back to the hotel. And then, dito lang sa labas, as in pwede ka magpa-pick up point dito. So malapit na rin yung Uber ko. And then later, isa-isa natin lahat ng mga pagkain. And I'll tell you kung ano yung mga memorable talaga sa akin pag nasa loob na ako ng kotse. Nakakatuwa, yung guide ko kahapon, guide ko pa rin siya today, o diba? Kaya parang sabi ko, kung alam ko lang, di dapat pinagsama-sama na lang lahat, diba? Guys, tapos na yung tour natin. And I'm in my Uber na. Wala pong driver dito ha. Nag-toilet kasi hindi ako nag-vlog masyado pag naririnig ako, nahihiya ako. Nahihiya pa rin. Anyways, I think it's my last day. And by the way, kanina nakapag SBI ako na withdrawal. And yes, I can confirm, walang withdrawal fee with SBI. So gamitin yun. And I did enjoy this tour. It's because, oh my gosh, tama na dapat wala kang kainin because ang daming masarap na pagkain. Wala akong hindi nagustuhan. Pero my favorite was like the final part ng mga puri. Especially the sev puri at saka yung may yogurt na puri. Then, I did enjoy the parang onion fritters, bajia. Then, I did enjoy the dessert. I did enjoy that as well. Dosa. The dosa was really good with the coconut chutney. Oh my gosh, heavenly yan talaga. So, that's my tour in Mumbai. Natuwa ako dito, di ba? And then, yun na siya. Naikot na natin Mumbai. Kumain na rin tayo, everything else. So guys, that's basically the end of my Mumbai. Not Mumbai lang naman. The whole India trip. So, some things that I wanna share here as well. So, definitely, the first one is yung pinaka-importante natin. When you're arriving in India, number one, meron tayong e-visa. In the Philippines, free ang e-visa natin. So, sobrang lucky na natin na free siya kasi dati hindi pa daw siya libre. Apply it online. So, everything will be filled up online rin. Lahat. May website sila. Now, one thing that happened sa akin is dahil parang yung corporation ko is a media corp. So, marami lang silang tinanong na question. So, it took me 2 more days longer. Usually kasi, di ba, pag okay na papeles mo, you get it. Sa akin kasi, media yung company ko. Sinabi ko, oh, I create content, ganyan-ganyan, kaya siya ganon. Hindi ako news agency, blah, 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 ganon. And then, binigay na nila sa akin yung aking passport. Then, don't forget that whenever you land in India, you also have your e-arrival card. So, very important yung may e-arrival card ka rin. Kailangan meron ka yan kasi titingnan at hahanapin nila sa systems nila yan. Next is also, pag nag-cross tayo ng immigration, one thing that's very important is I recommend you have your printed copy of your e-visa. So, either sa email yan or pwede mo kunin yung PDF format. I always have it beside me or with me kasi paminsan, let's say, I want to Ladakh, kailangan yun, tinanong. And you need a printed out copy if you're gonna buy an eSIM doon sa Ladakh. eSIM did not work in Ladakh, pero Mumbai, Delhi, walang problema yung mga Klook eSIM. So, hindi mo kailangan mag-worry about that. Now, when it comes to withdrawal, kahapon, finally, I did SBI, which is the State Bank of India. Sa kanya yung zero fees. As in, hindi ka talaga i-charge. Withdraw 10,000 rupees and then 6,445.35 pesos ang chinarge sa akin. When I look at the Visa website, parehas rin yung chinarge sa akin, so zero siya. The first day that I withdraw, syempre trinay ko na rin yon. Yung mga ICIC, yung mga HDFC, may mga fees yan, usually sa 200. Then, I've tried the Punjabag, PJB, that was around 150 rupees naman. Hindi ganun ka-OA yung presyo niya, kasi diba, it's 150 pesos if ever charging yan. So, lakihan mo na, 10,000 rupees ang pinaka-maximum per withdrawal. So, if you're gonna withdraw, do it. Now, when it comes to cash, yes, kailangan mo mag-cash. Kasi, let's say, yung mga tips mo, bibili ka ng yung other items, wala tayong QR payment. Hindi gumagana yung QR payment natin. So, that's why nag-cash rin ako. And whenever you need to tip, diba, cash talaga yon kasi bibili ka ng ibang bagay. Maraming stores may credit card, wala kang problema naman. But, syempre, it's good to still have cash kasi sometimes hindi talaga sila nag-accept ng card. Uber is definitely one of the most convenient way for us, but they have their own taxi apps rin naman. But if ever you have Uber, di ba, pwede naman mag-Uber ka na lang para at least yun na lang gamitin mo. Now, a lot of the tours that I took was all private tours rin kasi not bad yung presyo. And then, ang kagandahan dun is you have it in your own time. Now, if ever kaya kayong at least dalawa kayo para may kahati ka, yun yung best kasi at least may kahati ka sa mga gastusin. Yung mga pagkain, I definitely love Indian food. That's why wala ako naging problema, naging issues with my Indian food or with cuisines. I only drink bottled water. So, butin lang in all hotels that I've stayed, lahat yan bibigyan ka ng bottled water. Even sa restaurants, lahat yan bottled water yung na-offer sa'yo. Rarely do you see or do you hear na nagtatap. Even local, sa pansin ko, nagbo-bottled water sila lahat dyan. Kaya, okay, walang problema. So, totoo lang guys, if you have the hesitation to go to India, I'm telling you right now na huwag kayong matakot. If ever takot ka, ang pinaka-best bet doon, get the 5-star hotels. Get the gated hotels, diba? That's why a lot of my hotels right now were all 5 stars. I took a lot of Marriott hotels talaga. Get the private tour. If ever takot ka, get private tours. Huwag ka na lang sumama sa iba, diba? If ganun. Yung drivers ko, yung tour guides ko, lahat yun mababait. As in, wala akong nakuha na parang bastos. Traffic is traffic. Nagbubusina sila talaga sa kalye. Parang kaya ang ingay talaga. But they're not rude, to be honest. Based on my experience, kaya I have nothing bad to say about the country. If you want to see the Taj Mahal, go. I did it all alone by myself, pero alam ko lalaki rin ako. Pero baka kung babae kayo, di ba, dalawa kayo, go. Have a travel buddy, and then for me, again, just get the better hotels, get the 5-star hotels, get the private tour, get yung gated if you want that extra reassurance. Pero honestly guys, diba, naglakad rin ako sa labas, diba, parang wala naman problema, and then yung tour guide mo, if ever nag-tour kayo, tinutulungan ka rin, ina-assist ka rin naman if ever saan ka dadaan, paano mo kakausapin yung mga tindero, yung mga ganon. So, yes, that's all my pro tip. That's everything that you should know. And then guys, syempre, I did book everything via Klook. But of course, you have other booking sites. May laging payo lang naman sa inyo. Definitely check it out. Go with the cheaper one. But if ever you do want to use Klook, I'll put all the links down below and of course yung code ko. So guys, yun na siya. Everything that you should know or that basically I wanna share on my trip to India.